Hi, my name is Philip, your intuitive analyst. Today we are looking at insurance policy report. And for the dashboard, we can see the KPIs and slices align with the title of the dashboard at the top. So the first dashboard, the first chart that we are looking at is the distribution of car use based on by gender, based on the presence of kids. So this shows the agenda, and they also gives us the insight into are there kids in the car. So the chart under it is a correlation between the education level and its claim amount and claim frequency. And the next chart on the dashboard shows the correlation of claim amount and claim frequency with their car color. So the next one shows the distribution of claim amount and the claim frequency by car model and the car make. So we go to the next page of our dashboard. So the dashboard shows the report the ratio of claim amount by coverage zone. So this is the pie chart that shows us the coverage zone. You can see the coverage zone and the claim amount there. So we'll be able to denote the highest claim amount we have per coverage zone and the lowest claim amount we have per coverage zone. So also we have the impact of household income on claim amount and claim frequency. This is a multi-card chart. So yeah, I had to use the multi-card chart to capture the whole household income and based on their claim and the claim frequency. So that's about that. The summary of the report is aligned under the ratio of claim amount by coverage zone. So from here we can also denote some key points about the dashboard and dataset that was provided. So that is all about the presentation for that. Thank you.